Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding the absolute best phones of 2025 that you can buy right now. Staying updated on the latest technology is crucial in today's digital age. With new innovations and advancements emerging every day, it's essential to have a device that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle. That's why we're counting down the best phones of 2025, so you can make an informed decision when it comes to upgrading your mobile experience. Before we continue, do well to subscribe to my channel and watch to the end to discover our best pick. First up, for the budget-conscious users, we have the Galaxy A16 5G. The A16 5G has got a beautiful AMOLED screen, 90Hz refresh rate, a good amount of storage, slightly faster chipset than before, and even the promise for 6 years of software updates. It offers decent performance with its Exynos 1330 or MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, 4 or 8 GB of RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of expandable storage. The 50MP main camera performs well in good lighting, but overall camera quality is average. The 5000 mAh battery provides decent battery life. However, it has a plastic build and can be sluggish with demanding tasks. Next, the Xiaomi 14T is what a flagship killer looks like these days. It is a premium smartphone with top-notch features such as display, performance, and camera, while avoiding unnecessary extras. The Xiaomi 14T features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, and a 5500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. It has a 50MP main camera, 50MP telephoto lens, and 12MP ultra-wide lens. While it offers exceptional performance and display quality, the camera experience is mixed and the screen is prone to scratches. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is all about the camera. With its advanced AI capabilities and a 50MP main sensor, it takes stunning photos in any lighting condition. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a top-tier smartphone with a sleek design and a 6.3-inch OLED display. It runs on the Google Tensor G4 chip, ensuring smooth performance. The 4700 mAh battery offers impressive longevity. Priced at $999, it combines excellent camera capabilities and AI features, making it a strong contender in the high-end Android market. Realme GT 7 Pro is a great choice for gamers. It is a flagship smartphone with a sleek design, a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display, and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It features a versatile camera setup, including an underwater mode and a massive 6500 mAh battery for long-lasting use and a 120W wired fast charging. With up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, it offers top-notch performance and ample space. Ideal for gamers, photographers, and everyday users alike. The OnePlus 13 continues the brand's tradition of offering flagship features at a competitive price. It is a powerhouse smartphone featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, up to 24 GB RAM, and 1 TB storage. It boasts a stunning 6.82-inch DisplayMate A++ certified screen with glove touch capability. Gamers will appreciate the native 120 frames per second gaming and esports display engine. The camera system, co-engineered with Hasselblad, includes 3 50MP lenses and supports 4K 60 frames per second Dolby Vision video. The 6000 mAh battery with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging ensures quick recharges and long battery life. For those who want the best of the best, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a powerhouse. It features a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The camera setup includes a 1-inch sensor with variable aperture, 2 telephoto lenses, and a 32MP front camera, delivering outstanding photo and video quality. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and 16 GB of RAM, the 5000 mAh battery supports 90W fast charging. The design is premium with a high-strength aluminum frame and nanotech vegan leather back, though the large camera notch can be cumbersome. Overall, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a top-tier choice for photography enthusiasts and power users. OnePlus Open is the brand's latest foldable phone. It leads the foldable phone market with its large screens and competitive pricing for a notebook-style device. Its multitasking capabilities are the most impressive we've encountered so far. It stands out with its sleek design, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and impressive camera system developed with Hasselblad. It offers a bright, crease-minimized display and strong multitasking features. Priced at $1,699, it's more affordable than many competitors, though it lacks wireless charging and has some low-light camera limitations. Overall, it's a solid first foldable from OnePlus. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is a beast and a premium smartphone with a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, a powerful Snapdragon processor, and advanced AI features. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has better battery life with its 5,000 mAh battery and 45W wired fast charging, faster performance, and even better cameras than its predecessors, though you'll also pay a bit more for the improvements. Its camera system includes a new 50MP 5x telephoto lens for detailed zoom shots. The phone promises 7 years of updates. Despite a slight price increase, it stands out for its performance and durability. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's latest flagship, featuring a sleek titanium design and a stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. Powered by the A18 Pro chipset, the enhanced camera system excels in low-light conditions and includes advanced features for photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by a 4,685 mAh battery, 240 mAh more than the one inside the 15 Pro Max. The new flagship model scored an outstanding active use time of 17 hours and 18 minutes. With the latest iOS updates and new visual intelligence capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to upgrade. Lastly, the Motorola Razr 2024 is a delightful blend of nostalgia and modern innovation, offering a unique experience in the foldable phone market. Priced at $700, it brings the iconic flip phone design into the contemporary era with several noteworthy upgrades. It features a sleek design with a larger 3.6-inch cover screen and a spacious internal display. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300X, it offers decent performance and impressive battery life. The camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP front camera. While the camera performance is average, the phone's playful design, excellent screens, and long battery life make it a great value for those looking to experience foldable technology without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section.